Powered by NationalLink.
Press Enter, Clear, Cancel, 1, 2, 3 on the keypad. Select Operator Function and input your master password. Select Customer Setup, and then select Optional Function 2. Select Device option, and disable the CDU binding option. Press Cancel till you get to the Out of Service screen or the ATM reboots. Open the vault door and slide the dispenser out. Looking at the dispenser board on the right side, short the 7 and 8 pins with a jumper or something metal at the same time. While you have the pins shorted, press the black and silver reset button. After about 3 to 5 seconds, release the pins and press the reset button again. If your dispenser board has dip switches, on the dispenser board, push dip switch number 2 and 4 up to the on position and press the reset button. After, push dip switch number 4 back down to the off position and press the reset button again. On the ATM screen, select Operator Function and log back into the ATM and input your master password. Select Customer Setup, and then select Optional Function 2. Select Device option, and re-enable the CDU binding option. Once CDU binding option says enabled, press Cancel till you leave the operation program, and then log back in with your master password again. If done correctly, the CDU symbol should have a lock in the top right corner.